Hey, I'm Jared Abbott, but you can call me Chef Jay. Right now I'm showing you how to bake turkey tenderloins in the oven. Super easy, healthy recipe that only takes a few minutes to prepare. So I've got my turkey tenderloins here. I'm going to add 3 simple ingredients. I've got some of my favorite barbecue sauce. Drizzle probably 6 tablespoons over the top. Some chili flakes for a little bit of spice. I want to add some of that lime right there for some of that sour flavor. I want to get my hands in here to get these tenderloins all sauced up and make sure each piece is coated well. Now I'm just going to take these little tenderloins, put them right into my glass-safe oven dish. Now I actually learned when making chicken in the oven, or turkey, that it helps to keep the pieces stuck together, touching, so they don't dry out as easily. I covered my dish with some aluminum foil. I'm going to put it in the oven at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. Those tenderloins should be ready. They're starting to smell pretty good. All right, so I've got my tenderloins here. I topped it with a little bit of fresh cilantro at the end for some flavor. Now this is a great recipe because it's healthy, quick, it only takes 20 minutes in the oven. It's good to go. It's turkey time.